In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Capital One credit card online access. Whether you're a new cardholder or simply looking to manage your account more conveniently, this process is straightforward and easy. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Capital One website. You can do this on any web browser, or if you prefer, you can open the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. Both platforms offer a seamless experience, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're on the website or in the app, look for the option that says Set up online access or Enroll. This is where you'll begin the registration process. Clicking this option will take you to a new page where you'll start entering your information. Now, you'll need to provide some personal details. This includes your last name, date of birth, and social security number, or your SIN if you're in Canada. This information is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that your account is secure. After entering your personal details, the next step is to enter your Capital One credit card information. This helps further verify your identity and links your card to your online account. Make sure you have your card handy so you can input the necessary details accurately. Now comes the fun part: creating your username and password. You'll want to choose a username that's easy for you to remember but still secure. For your password, try to create something unique and strong to keep your account safe. Follow any prompts or guidelines provided to ensure your credentials meet Capital One's security requirements. Once you've set up your username and password, follow the prompts to finish enrollment. The system will guide you through any additional steps that might be necessary to complete the process. And just like that, your online access is set up. With your online access now established, you can sign in anytime to manage your account. Whether you want to check your balance, pay your bill, or review transactions, everything is just a few clicks away. And that's it. Now you know how to set up Capital One credit card online access. It's a simple process that opens up a world of convenience for managing your credit card account. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ease of online banking with Capital One.